Hello everyone. So in the previous video we had seen how you can create bean and register them with Spring Boot, as you can see here. But if you see here, you have to do a two-step, like you have to create another class and then register them using this function. What if you want to do it in a single file itself, or in a single class, and register that class with the Spring Boot? So that is possible in Spring Boot with an annotation called @service. So we can achieve the same functionality. Now, rather than creating this object and registering it with Spring Boot, what we can do is we can create, let's create a package called .service, just to denote that we are creating this as a service, right? And let's create a class app service. Now in this we can create, like, let's copy the object from here. So this is basically a private method and it's getter setter, right? And let's create this as a service. Now this app service is registered as a bean inside Spring Boot. Okay. So now to use this, you just have to rename them, right? And if you want, you can get this value from environment variable, or you can provide a default value as well, right? Not on this class, sorry. We have to do this on service. Okay. Now using this @service in controller, we can directly get the message rather than creating another object or model and then registering them in bean manually, right? @service, you can do both of things in the same place. So let's run this. Let me open the browser. Now if I'll refresh, as you can see, we are getting this message because this is what we have set in our environment variable here. And generally this service is used for registering a type of service, or basically differentiating between a beans, which are like plain objects, with something which is more functional. Like you could create a service which will communicate with another microservice or external service. For that you can create a service which would be making an external RESTful API to different service apart from your application. So that's it for this video.